Hello fellow YouTubers, it's Rodrigo Dave here, and I'm showcasing this ceiling fan at the place where I'm sleeping. Without further ado, let's get into the test. Starting off with low speed. It runs pretty quiet, just a bit of noise. It makes this buzzing, it makes this noise every time it's in medium. Runs pretty quiet except for that buzzing noise. And it doesn't make any humming noise when it's on high speed, but it makes the air noise. Unfortunately, I will not be showcasing this on the first because I don't have much time. Anyways, thanks for watching. There will be more videos soon of Miami and Lima.